on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Erath County and western Hood County until 2:30. A severe thunderstorm is located near Bluffdale, southwest of Granbury and 14 miles northeast of Stephenville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning is being issued for northeastern Erath County and western Hood County until 2:30. A severe thunderstorm located near Bluffdale, southwest of Granbury, northeast of Stephenville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.